Hi everyone, today I'm going to test this wireless vacuum that has a very good quality, and I'm going to test it for you to see the functionality of it. Here we have some rice, some lentils and some beans, and I'm going to vacuum them all with this vacuum. To turn on it, you should press the power button for 2 seconds. Now I'm going to test the vacuum with power level 1. We have some rice. We have some lentils. We have some beans. Mission completed. I have some dusts here on my table and my computer that I want to vacuum them. So let's try it. I'm still using level 1. I turn on the light. In this area you can see how it vacuumed the dust from the table and also from this surface. You can vacuum the dust from the keyboard as well. Now I'm going to clean inside my car. Since we have a parquet here, I will set the vacuum suction level to the level 3, which is the highest level. Here is a quick result. You can see the area that I used the vacuum. It cleaned the dust very well from the carpet. To use the air blower, it's better to open the dust bin first. Now I'm going to attach one of these attachments to the back of vacuum. It's very easy, just put it here and make a quick turn. Now let's try the blowing power. Now I'm going to blow the leaves from ground with this small wireless vacuum and air blower. It's so powerful. When I start to test this vacuum, the battery level was 53%. Now after these testings, I'm going to check the battery level. It decreased to 24%. This was my test on this wireless vacuum and air blower. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I appreciate your comments. If you have any question, ask your questions in the comment section. I also put the link to this product in my video description. You can buy it with a good discount, I think, if you click on my link. I also have a test on another wireless vacuum that you can find it in my channel. When you charge the vacuum, you can see the charging indicator on the LED here on the vacuum. This is the HV-C11 wireless vacuum. This is the box, and you can see that it is 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner and air duster. It's made in China and it has the company email and phone number. It has the ability for suction and blowing in one. It has a smart control, LED display, and super powerful suction. And here is a short instruction on how to use the vacuum. The box has a very good quality, and there is another bag inside the box. This is inside the bag. We have this attachment that can move. We have the bin that it has one filter inside. And the filter is covered with some metal meshing to avoid dust stuck between the paper and filter here. And also this metal covering can open for better cleaning the filter. We have an extra filter also, which is very nice. We have these attachments for blowing up air. This one is for like blowing air inside a ball. This is like for blowing up air with high pressure. And this is another attachment and one more attachment here. The vacuum wrapped in a paper, so you can unwrap it from here. And also here is the manual, which is a very small manual. I think this is the cable for charger, but the adapter is not here, so you can charge it with connecting the USB to any USB device charger. This is the USB charger. You can see the manual. It shows all the attachments and the box contents. Here how to connect different parts to the vacuum. So some parts connecting at the back of vacuum. And this is the different applications for the attachments that will connect to the back of vacuum. And it says you can also wash the filter with tap water. The vacuum is very solid and it has a great quality. You can see the battery capacity here. This is the USB-C charger and this is a light. The light will turn on with this button, with on and off button. The vacuum bin also covered with a plastic wrap. If you push this part up, it helps to collect dust from keyboard and surfaces. But I think it's a little hard to push up. I guess you should push this button to able push this up. Actually, finally I was able to push it up. You need to push it up very hard. I think you don't need to push this area, just you need to push it up like this. I put the attachment here. You need to put the filter inside the vacuum bin. I put the filter inside the vacuum bin like this. You need a very small turn to secure the vacuum bin to the wireless vacuum.